for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Grand Slam. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for Grand Slam. Now as you can see, I have a basket over here. It's about 6 feet away from my cone with a pool noodle and just a paper ball. Alright, so how this game is played, what you're going to have to do is stand on the side of the cone. Now if you are right-handed, you're going to go and stand on the left side of the cone. If you are left-handed, you're going to go and stand on the right side of the cone. Kind of like as if we were playing baseball, okay? So I'm right-handed. I'm going to go and step to the left of my cone. And what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to swing my hand as if it's a bat, knock my paper ball, and try to make it land inside of my basket. Now before I can get 2 swings, I must run to my basket, run back around it, and then come back to my tee and then set up again. So it looks like this. So I have to run around my basket, come back to my tee, get my feet positioned, feet shoulder width apart, slightly bent, and I'm gonna pop it up, and I'm gonna try to make it in. I get 2 tries, that's 1, that's 2, I'm gonna grab it, run around, come back. So my goal is to see how many Grand Slams, or how many times I can get the paper ball into the basket in 1 minute. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't go anywhere. 3, 2, 1, and go. Around the basket, come back, you get 2 hits. 1, 2, around the basket, come back. Almost got it. Boom, shakalaka, that's 1. Boom, that's 2. Oh, almost got it. Oh, right off the rim. Oh. And time. So for that, Mr. Garcia was only able to get 2 Grand Slams. Can you read my score? Drop a comment down below. Alright, so for round 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use my non-dominant hand. So the first round I use my dominant hand. This time I'm going to use my non-dominant hand. Same thing, I must run around the basket, come back. I get 2 hits or attempts to hit my Grand Slam. 3, 2, 1, and go. Around, back, 2 tries. 1, that's 2. Oh, boom, sorry. Oh, right off the top. Oh, close. Oh, again, off the rim. Time. So for my non-dominant hamsters, Garcia was only able to get 1 Grand Slam. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Grand Slam. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what ways you would have modified it, or what type of equipment you used for this activity. Drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.